Pathway System Assembly Tool is a freely downloadable software package for visualizing custom wall stations, such as the Vignette or NSB multi-gang wall station kits, or the endless combination of versatile data receptacles to complete any job. Choose the enclosure option to design custom cabinets with our extensive range of DIN products, including the VIA Ethernet switches, Pathport gateways, DMX interfaces for A to D, D to A, PWM, and contact closures, and drive the whole system with one of our controllers, such as the Vignette Architectural Gateway, Choreo, or the Nlight Snapshot Controller. The Wizard tab greatly enhances the tool's capabilities as it has all the technical smarts to dynamically select the right products, the correct size and number of enclosures, each fitted with the appropriate power supplies for the unique system you require for your application. The System Assembly tool allows you to save and print high-quality PDF line drawings of your custom enclosure with a detailed bill of materials. There is a button that allows you to copy the exact nomenclature, which is used for pricing and ordering completely pre-assembled systems ready to hang on the wall. The Save button readies a file you can drag and drop into Visual Controls. Then use VC's connection tools to audit and design a complete submittal package, including all the relevant drawings, pathway specification sheets, wiring diagrams, and notes. Download the Pathway System Assembly tool for Mac OS or Windows from the Resources section of our website, or by pressing Learn More on any product page for DIN-mounted devices.